Wow, this is easy. I got you. So I had a customer. Notice I said customer, not client, because she can never come to me again after this. But anyways, I had a customer that came to her appointment with her 4-year-old son. My policy is no kids, but he was pretty calm, so I was like, whatever, I'll still do your nails. So while I'm prepping her nails, she's basically being very fidgety. She's looking at her phone like every 2 seconds. And then once I'm done prepping her nails, she stops me and she's like, can I go downstairs and get my wallet? I left it in my car and I'd rather get it now than wait till you're done with my nails. I was like, okay, that's fine. So when she goes to her car, she leaves her son with me. So I would say about literally 25 minutes past, I'm up there with her son and she's still not back. So I go outside, she's gone.
It's a woman's world, so to speak. Pussy, you sour. Never giving credit where it's due, cause you don't like pussy in power. Venom.
Ort! Why did I say Ort? Let me explain. The person who sent you this video wanted me to tell you you're not tall. As in, shh.
This to your best friend. Listen up, bitch. You better fucking answer me. And you can't say you're busy. I don't care. You said you were busy 5 hours ago. And yesterday. And like a week ago. Should I rename you in messages to busy bitch? Cause you're literally busy 24/7. And if you're not busy, you literally have to go to sleep. Like, sure, bitch. Now fucking answer.